mother. Start of game. What you heard, it's what you hearing. It's what you hearing. Listen, it's what you hearing. Listen, it's what you hearing. Listen. X gon' give it to you. Wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to you. Knock, knock, open up the door, it's real. With the non-stop pop out from stainless steel. Go hard getting busy with it. But I got such a good heart that I make the mother wonder if you get it. Damn right, and I do it again. Cause I am light, so I got to win. Break bread with the enemy. No matter how many cats I break bread with, I'll break who you sending me. You motherfucker never wanted nothing but your life saved. That's on a light day, I'm getting down, down. Like it said freeze, but won't be the one ending up on his knees. Please, if the only thing you can't steal came out to play, stay out my way. Mother, first we gonna rock, then we gonna fold, then we let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to ya, he gon' give it to ya. X gon' give it to ya, he gon' give it to ya. First we gonna rock, then we gonna fold, then we let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to ya, he gon' give it to ya. X gon' give it to ya, he gon' give it to ya. He ain't never gave nothing to me, but every time I turn around, cats got their hands out, wanting something from it. I ain't got it, so you can't get it. Let's leave it at that, cause I ain't with it. Hit it with full strength, I'm a jail, so I face the world like a girl in the bullpen. You against me, me against you. Whatever, whenever you gon' do, I'm a wolf in sheep's clothing. Only that you know who can chill, come back and get the streets open. I've been doing this for 19 years. Wanna fight me, fight these tears. I put in work and it's all for the kids. But these cats done forgot what work is. They don't know who we be looking, they don't know who they see. First we gonna rock, then we gonna fold, then we let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to ya, he gon' give it to ya. X gon' give it to ya, he gon' give it to ya. First we gonna rock, then we gonna fold, then we let it pop, don't let it go. Come on. X gon' give it to ya, he gon' give it to ya. X gon' give it to ya, he gon' give it to ya.
Alright, so $116 later, got my new tires on, looking pretty good. I cleaned up my rims. The sprocket looks pretty good too. It's got a little dirt on it.
Hi, really?
What? But yeah, it's time to get this bike done. So, as I was saying, we got tires, Sedona MX 907 HP with the unusual squirgly tread. And here is the bike. Man, she looks awesome.
Foxy.
Yeah.
And here's a little buddy right here.
I got some Kung Fu Graphic stickers. I just put them on here. And I got the Fox sticker here. It's red and white, so I figured it'd match good.
His front passenger,
and then
back passenger.
The new seat cover here. And then we got Mr. Bones. This is the original sticker that was on the front number plate, and I didn't feel like taking it off since it was a part of the past. So I put it right there on the seat. It's gonna fall off, but I don't really care. I'll just have it on there for now. Just something funny. And then I have the Race Tech 2002 Gas EC300 plastics. They're not made for this bike since this is a 98. But see, like right here, for example, it sticks out a little bit.
Yeah,
but they fit. I made them work, so I'm satisfied with that. They're on there enough to stay. See, it looks pretty good. And then I have the Kung Fu graphics for the EC300 on here. That's pretty nice. And then I use the Race Tech sticker. That's the brand of the plastics. I bought some special gas stickers. I put the two little ones on the front fender, and I got the two bigger ones on the seat, gas. And I got swing arm stickers. I think they look pretty cool.
All we need now is
and then I got, let's see, I got Scott here, Scott grips with the donuts. And then I'm gonna paint my Bark Busters over there a different color. I don't know what brand this is. This is like a generic Chinese seat cover. It's 13 bucks. Hey, it still looks pretty cool.
Sure, and all we have to do now is just make these something different instead of.
Yeah, I have these. These are supposed to go on those forks where the Hebo Quaker State says. But I don't have fork guards because these are not inverted forks. So my choice is to just take these stickers off and put the Dunlop gas around here just like this is. Because this is a graphic. So you just wrap that around there. So I think I'm going to do that too.
So what is this again?
That's Velcro. This is actually supposed to go on my front radiator shrouds to go inside here and on the gas tank, so then it would stick on there. But then I found out that it actually bolts up to the radiator the same exact way, and it actually lines up with one Allen head. So
we really don't
I'm
need
satisfied
that.
with that. So I don't need this. I can just use this for anything else whenever I need it.
Like for camping or something.
Yeah.
Me and Troy are gonna go camping this week.
Yep. So we shined up the bike. We used an SOS pad and stuff like that, polish.
And
And I got my frame cleaned up.
my dirt bike is finally getting fixed for my birthday.
Yep.
Mine's in the shop, or his got in the shop at.
So yeah, we got that shined up. I got my bars shined. I got a phone holder I actually bought in Okra? I don't know. Phone holder, it's pretty nice. The only problem I have is this right here. I already got the sticker on there, but the 1998 plastics, it covers this whole airbox. Now after the year 2000, Gas came up with a different airbox where you had a door right here. So this is still the old airbox, and I didn't want to pay $75 to get a new one. So my plan is, since I have this short plastic piece right here,
Put a sticker.
the old plastic piece is in the shed. I'm cutting the old plastic piece right here, so then I can bolt it in, and it'll act like a door right here and cover that. So then I'll still be covered and not have to worry, and it's still plastic. Instead of I can't buy just the door unless I modify it with a plastic piece, which that's what I'm doing. I'm using the old plastics that fit in there. So yep.
That's a new tire.
Boy, I can't wait to put these on.
We have to spray.
Rims.
We have to
Clean my
plastic
rims up. I need to put an SOS pad on that though.
Yeah.
I guess it doesn't really matter because I'm putting
Plastic
plastic on it. Man, yep. MX97HP. Sedona.
This
Man,
tire
nice
is the
tires.
heaviest out of all of them. I think that's
Big tire. It's thick. I like it.